Model Making Guru is sponsored by emodels.co.uk, your one-stop shop for all your model making needs. emodels.co.uk. Make something awesome. Hey everybody, it's Foxx from Model Making Guru here. Hello, 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 welcome, welcome. It is time to pull the winners, yes. If you remember last Tuesday, I ran a little competizione, for you to have a chance to win one or both of two kits. The Games Workshop, apparently that's the thing now. The Games Workshop, it's me here, Mario. It's weird. Hang on, more coffee. That's not the coffee cup, that's the coffee cup. Oh. There we go. Right, let's get this show on the road. I'll talk a little less nonsense. So, you can win the Games Workshop, apparently. Adeptus Custodes Vertus Praetors. You can also win the Aggressor Class Dropship from Spartan Scenics. You can win one or both of these, depending on if you're a patron or not. The Vertus Praetors was open to everybody in the universe. Anyone could enter and anyone can win. And the Aggressor Dropship was run for my patrons on my Patreon page. They had to put a comment on the post on Patreon, which only patrons can access. I'm sick of saying that word now, patron and Patreon. There's got to be a better way of doing that. So they could win possibly that, and obviously a patron can win both. So it's time to pull the winner. So where are we? It is today, it's 5 minutes on the 22nd of May 2018, year of our dog. So yes, we are ready to pick the winner. Now we're going to do it the same way I normally do it, with a twist for the Patreon one. Here's the YouTube page with the video. We have 175 comments for the Vertus Praetors. So we're going to do this one first. And for this, I'm going to use the website I always use for picking random comments. And that's just this one. It's the Sandra Ceres. I don't know what this website. I've never actually looked beyond this page because what's around that image doesn't make me want to look at the rest of the website. It seems like some la-di-da thing. But I don't know why she has this on a website. Go check it out. I've noticed that Zach from Zach Aurelius uses the same website, so great minds think alike. Anyway, let me shut up. We'll do the winner for the Vertus Praetors first. So we've got 175 comments. Thank you so much for everyone that entered. Millions of comments on that. It went really well. I think you kind of all wanted to win this kit. There's a few that say, I don't want to win it. And I'm like, if you win it, you win it. Just have it. Deal with it. So anyway, I'll shut up now. Let's go and have a look. So we need to take the address from this YouTube page. Give that a copy. And give it a paste into here. We shall load up all the comments on the page. We have 177 comment threads in 2 pages. So, are we ready? Let us randomly pick a winner. 3, 2, 1. Well, that's not going to work, is it? That's really not going to work. Arse. Let's randomly pick another winner. That's not going to happen. Of all the... Gosh darn you, random number generator. Right. Should we try that one again? Ugh. Let's try that again. Ready? If it does me again, I'll scream. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Evil Monkey 1979. Give me my bread back. That's better. Right, well, there you go. Evil Monkey 1979. Congratulations, you have won yourself the Vertus Praetors kit. Yay! That will be coming to you. So all you need to do is drop me an email. If you could drop me an email, because I've actually got a load of emails for sticker giveaways as well that I need to go through when I do my stickers, so I can keep everything in one place. So if you can give me an email, or drop me an email, at the email address below here, it's on the bottom of the screen, modelmakingguru@gmail.com, and just tell me your name, address. I'll need your phone number for shipping, because I don't know where you are. I think I know where you are, but I can't remember. I'll need your phone number in case, depending who I mail it through, and they might need a phone number to contact you. So give me your name, address, and your phone number, and just tell me that you've won the Vertus Praetors. Well done, well done. Now, anyway, let's go ahead and pull the next winner, and this will be for the Patreon one. So here's a little view behind the scenes for non-patrons. This is the post that was up on the Patreon page that you guys wouldn't have seen. And all I asked you to do to win the Aggressor Class Planetary Dropship for this one was exactly the same. Just put a comment on the post. And as you can see, we had loads of comments. We had 25 comments on here, which was lovely. Thank you very much to all my patrons. It was open to all my patrons from $1 upwards, so we will see who won this. It was exactly the same. We're going to pick a winner. Now, I can't use the random YouTube comment picker because this clearly isn't a YouTube page. Yes, so instead I'm going to use random.org, which is just a random number service. Again, you can check out the web address if you want to check it for, correctness or whatever you want to do. And all we're going to do is we're going to pick a random number between 1 and 25, and that person, that comment, will win. So we see over here on the right, we have the random number generator. The minimum is 1. The maximum is 25, so I'll put 25 because that's how many comments we've got. And all I need to do is generate random number. Yes, dead simple. So let's go ahead and generate random number. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Generate. 5. So comment number 5. Comment number 5. Yeah, never mind. That's an old joke. Anyway, comment number 5, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam! Cliff Leonard. Who wouldn't want a dropship? Cliff Leonard, congratulations. You have won yourself a dropship because you clearly want a dropship. So fantastic. Let me just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, Cliff Leonard. Good, just checking. Brilliant, Cliff. Well done. I've actually got some stickers to send to you anyway, so I'll just make sure they're all in the same thing. So well done. Same to you as well. Just drop me an email. I think you've already done it anyway for the stickers, but just in case, because my brain is rubbish, just drop me a quick email confirming your name and address. I'll need your phone number though to send this as well, so send me another email with your name, address and your phone number in so I can make sure it's posted out. So congratulations to both our winners. Well done, both of you. I hope you have a good fun time building those and painting those. I do thank everyone that took part. If you weren't successful this time, don't worry, I'll do a lot more giveaways. As I've said before, my giveaways are always a case of either things in my stash that I'm never going to get around to making, so I may as well allow someone else to have fun with them and see what you guys can come up with, or just things that I've been gifted that perhaps I'm never going to do, or sometimes I get sent stuff just for giveaways. As always, if you are a manufacturer or a retailer and you'd like to send me some stuff to give away in competitions, then do just drop me a line and I'll be happy to take stuff to give away in competitions, because I love giving stuff away. It's brilliant. I like to give something back. I mean, I know my whole channel is about teaching people things, so I'm giving people things anyway, but it's always nice to give something extra back because you guys are so awesome. You look after me. I want to look after you. So if you weren't successful this time, never mind, there'll be lots more giveaways hopefully coming up. Now, for the 2 winners, I am skint and on my arse at the moment, so I need to wait for Patreon payday, which is between the 1st and 3rd. So then I can get your prizes posted out. I'm waiting on sending out all the stickers I've got to send as well. So it's going to be a week or so, but I'll get these sent out as soon as they've gone. As soon as Patreon payday is gone. And then I will drop you emails with your relevant shipping information. And that also goes for the Warhammer journal that I'm going to be sending out to Tony in about a week or so. So I'm just waiting for Patreon payday. Then I've got the money then to send out all the kits and boxes and stuff. So we'll get all that done. So give it about a week, 7 to 14 days, should be with you. Unless, of course, you're in, like, America or somewhere. I don't know where both of you are, so obviously allow shipping time. Anyway, so I'm going to be posting them out in the next 7 to 14 days. They will be on the way. Do let me know when you've had them, and feel free to post up in the Boom Hut. As always, again, thank you to everyone who took part. I love you all dearly. You're all brilliant. If you're not a member of the Model Makers Boom Hut, do go and check it out. It's on Facebook. It's facebook.com/groups/Model Boom Hut. Sometimes we do giveaways on there as well, just for Boom Hut members, so do go and check it out. It's a really awesome place. If you would like to help support this channel and you're not a patron already, do please consider having a look at the Patreon page that you're looking at now, obviously, but not this particular post. It's my patrons that keep me going. They keep this channel supported and allow me to keep doing this, and I can never thank them enough. They are awesome people. They help keep this whole channel chugging along. They help keep the lights on. So if you'd like to help out, do pop along, patreon.com/modelmakingguru, and see if you'd like to help out. There are rewards for helping out. But that's going to do us. So thank you so much to everybody. Well done to the 2 folks that won. And until next time, take care of yourselves. Go make something awesome. Go be awesome. Adios. I'm waving again. I always wave when I'm not on camera. Oh, I need to learn. I'm not on camera. Adios, amoebas.